Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I just got more parts in the mail for the Ruckus. And this is from FLP. Damn. Those are nice. These come with little spacers, bolts and nuts. Just get that out the way. And this, I believe, is the license plate holder or bracket. License plate bracket. FLP. And last, anything else? No stickers? No way. No stickers. Oh wait. There it is. Stickers. Most important. Ah. Alright. And the last but not least. I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. And these are the spacers for the, well, they go under the gas tank to raise it up. And the next video we're gonna install this. Alright guys, so before I install the parts, here are the gas tank risers. Got them in black. These are the side steps. License plate holder. And also how to get extended bolts to run both of these, since FLP didn't send me some. Here's the bike, tools. Let's get to installing. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you fail. Here how it is. So you got the gas tank riser, the spacer that comes with the step rails, lock nut in the bottom. What do you guys think? And let me tell you why I bought this. Well, the side steps I always wanted. It looks freaking awesome. But I got this gas tank riser because the frame splitter was smashing my harness. It's so thick when this was right here on top. So I got this so it could clear nice and free. And yeah, that's why I bought that. Looks super good. So now I have black, like chrome machine look with gray. And then this is all the extra bolts that I didn't use, because all I needed was those 4 long bolts that I showed you earlier. I'll probably use this or something. And now I just gotta install the license plate bracket. Right here, they go one right here, one bolt here, another one here. But my reservoir is connected to that, so I made a little bracket for that, for my stretch, because it was getting smashed. But now let's install this. And really quick, let me just show you my old setup of the license plate bracket. Just like that. Something I got on Amazon. But it kind of like, I don't know if you can see, it kind of like warped my license plate like that. And I like this look better for FLP. It's gonna go right there. Hopefully it clears my tire. It should. It's kind of hidden too, but it goes like that. This shit broke on me one time too, so I had to improvise. That's the bend I was talking about. We're gonna fix that right now.
I always want the truth, but it's that you got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Alright guys, so this is how it came out. That's how it looks from the back. FLP. Steady garage license plate. Bracket. Frame. That's how it looks closed. What do you guys think? I think it go a little bit more down. But now that's not right here anymore. Didn't want it right there. Wanted it right there. Looks nice and tucked. That's the clearance from the tire. That's a lot of clearance. Now here's the step rails. Once again, let me know what you guys think. How's it coming out? I'm loving it so far. Stay tuned to see what's next. But before I go, I want to show you my underglow. Hey, woo! Look at that. Just in time for the nighttime. It's getting dark. For the night rides. Sheesh. Till next time, guys. Comment down below.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody.